Hi thinkers, welcome to the Android development playlist on ThinkX Academy. In this tutorial, we are going to explore Firebase. So we will see what are the features that are provided by Google Firebase and why as a developer I should choose Firebase, right? So basically in the previous tutorials, we have created this login screen, and now what I want to do is I want to store the login details and also register the user. So I'm going to use Firebase for that purpose, for the authentication purpose, and I will also tell you how to set it up and how to link this project with the Firebase project, right? So let's get into it. Now, first of all, you need to go to the firebase.google.com. All right, so now you can see that I've signed in using my account. Now I will go to the console, right? So there is an option, go to console here. Now I haven't created any project yet, right? So the first thing that we need to do is create a project. So I will click on create a project, and let's name this project. So I'm going to make it e-commerce app, right? So then you will have to accept the Firebase terms and continue with it. And now it will show you whether you want to enable the Google Analytics for this project or not. And it has free unlimited reporting and a lot of things here. I will enable this option and I will continue. Now you can see that it has the analytics location, and you can see that this is the default location it has set, and use the default settings. So we are going to just accept and create the project, right? So now it is going to take some time to create this project. So now you can see it says that your project is now ready. I will click continue and it will redirect me to this home page here. So let's click on the Android one because we're interested in this. Now we will first have to register the application using the Android package name. So from where can we get this Android package name? You can see the Android package name here, which is com.ecommerce.thinkx, right? So this is our package name here. So I'm just going to write it here in this section, com.ecommerce.thinkx. All right, so now the next option is you want to give some app nickname also, which I will give as ThinkX. Right now, this is a optional one, which is the debug signing certificate. I'm just going to skip this step and go to the config file, right? And now you can see that it says that you will have to download these Google services.json file. And it also shows you that if you want to integrate Firebase, you will have to place this file in this particular location. So let's first download this file, right? It has now downloaded. I'm going to save this file. Okay, and you can see it says switch to the project view in Android Studio to see your project root directory and move this file that you have downloaded into the Android app module, right? So let's just pick this up and paste it here, right? Done. So now it shows Google services.json, and here I'm going to do the refactor. And now you can see that, do you want to add this to Git? Now I will suggest you to not do this because this file has a lot of confidential things. Now since you have uploaded, you can see that here is the Google services JSON. Now you will click next. Then you will have to add the Firebase SDK, which is the software development kit. Now let's see how we can do that. First of all, it says that you will have to open project level build.gradle. So we have two build.gradle for the project. We have this one, which is here. And here it says that you will have to add repositories Google. We have already done that. You can see that it's already there, right? So Google is there in our repositories. Now here it says that you will have to add this line. So I'm just going to copy this line. I will have to place it in the dependencies here, which is here, right? And here I'm going to do Control V. Now it says that here you will have to add Google here in the all projects. So let's see whether it is added or not. Alright, so it's already there. We have done with this step. Now we have the app level build.gradle, right? So let's go to the app level build.gradle, which is here. You can see that this one is the project level, so it is under the project directory, and then we have this app level. So in the app, which is the source folder, you can see this in the app folder you can see this file build.gradle. So double click here, and inside here you can see these plugin, right? Apply plugin com. This, it is already there. You will have to apply this plugin, which is to enable the Google services. Right, so first let's add these two in the in the dependencies one, right? So here we have these dependencies, and here I'm going to just paste it, right? This one, Firebase Analytics, which will enable Firebase Analytics in our project. And now what we need to do is apply plugin, add this line also. Okay, so let's copy this. I will paste it here and I will press try again. So now you can see it says build successful in 29 seconds. And now congratulations, we have connected Firebase. We have integrated Firebase with this Android app projects.